What is the difference between split and slicing in Python? In Python, split and slicing are two different ways to extract substring from a string. The split method is used to split the string into list of substring based on a separator. The separator can be a space, a comma, a dash, or any other character or string. Here is an example. We have myString variable which is storing a string hello comma world not. We are calling split function on myString variable, and the argument which is passed is comma space. When we print the mylist variable which is generated from the split function, it stores two substrings hello world which has separated this complete string on comma space. The code split the string hello comma world into two substrings using a separator comma space. The resultant list is first string hello comma second string world not. Slicing, on the other hand, is way to extract a substring from a string based on its position. It is done using the colon operator, and it allows you to extract a portion of a string by specifying its starting and ending position. Here is an example. We have a string hello world not. We are creating a my underscore substring from my string by slicing, therefore opening and closing square bracket and indexes of characters which are to be present in the substring. So we are starting at index 0, we are running till index 5. So we will run till 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 excluding 5, and the resultant string will be stored in my substring, and we are printing my substring on the user screen. Element at index 0 is H, 1 is E, 2 is L, 3 is L, 4 is O, and 5 is excluded. Therefore, the substring will be hello. Click on the cell and run the cell. We get the output hello. This could extract the first 5 characters of the string hello comma world not using slicing. The resultant string is hello. In summary, the main difference between split and slicing is that split separates a string in a substring based on a separator, while slicing extracts a substring from a string based on positions. That's it for this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.